Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever time you are coming across this video, you are welcome once again to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing us how you can cite your post, how you can cite your essay, your writing for any kind of post you want to generate citation for. So let's dive in. For those who might not understand, citation is done mostly on essay writing. So for those of you writing essay and you need to get citation for your essay, all you need to do is stay tuned to the end of this feed because that is what I will be showing you. So let's dive in. All you need to do is go to your Chrome browser. So once you get to your Chrome browser, you open a new tab just like this. Then you click on the search bar where you need to type. Then you type Google Scholar. You can see Google. Google. That is Google. Then Scholar. Scholar. Google Scholar. Then you click on search and allow it to load up. My network is fluctuating. Yeah, we are good here. So here, this is it. The first one you have here, click on the first one. So if you need any citation for any post, for any essay writing, for any CA, for whatsoever you need to generate your citation for, this is what you need to do. And after you've gotten to this place, you paste that particular word that you want to generate citation for. Paste the word here. Click on this and paste that particular word that you want to generate citation for. Once you click on that, you click on search and it will give you different citations. You can see social media natives perceive mediated community as optional communication, the role of social media, starting age and its usage. So here I'll be picking the first one. So how will I know the format of citation that I'm picking? What you need to do is come right down. Let me zoom it so that you can see. And for those who are asking if they can use phone for this, this is actually my phone that I'm using for this. So I just put my phone in desktop mode so I can be able to access all of this. So what you need to do is, let me zoom in so that you can see what I'm saying here. If you look at this page, you can see cited by one. Click on this cited by one and let's see what it's going to display for us. You see we have, what do we have here? Related articles. If you click on this arrow here, it will give you all the hidden things there. That arrow means, let me go back for you to understand. This arrow here, I have here. If you click on it, it will give you all other things like this. That arrow means there are other hidden things that you need to know in that particular content you have there. So once you click it, this site will pop up. So what you need is to click on this site. So once you click on the site, let it load up. You are going to see that it's going to display another set of things for us. I just zoom my phone back because the way I zoom it out before, that thing has displayed and it has gone off my screen. So that is what I did there. I did not do any magic. So you can see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sites that you can use depending on what you are writing on. If you're writing on MLA, you go to the MLA and pick that of MLA. If you are writing on APA format, you copy that APA. If you're writing on Chicago formats of writing, you go to Chicago and copy it. Don't make the mistake of copying APA to MLA. No, this citation that I gave you is based on the topic you've imputed in the Google Scholar website that gives you all the citation. Now it's left for you to follow instruction and do according to what is expected of you. I hope you understand. So before we proceed, if this video has been helpful in one way or the other, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so as to get notified whenever I drop more videos and educative videos like this. That is for those that are already in the family. And if you are yet to join the family, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and join us. So right now, what this MLA is shows that if you are working on MLA format, make sure you copy MLA. If you are working on APA format, make sure you copy that of the citation of APA. If you are working on Harvard, make sure you copy that belongs to Harvard. So that is the simple logic you need to know and you need to put up and always make use of. Don't forget that. You can see all this does not display instantly when we search for it. You have to follow the instruction and do the right thing the right way. I hope this video has shown you, it has enlightened you on how to cite your work. Thank you, and if you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section. I will be glad to give an answer to your question. And if you feel like you want to connect with me, check the description below. You will see connect with me there, then you can connect through that. Thank you and bye for now. So what I will do is just copy this and we are good to go, because that is what I need this citation for MLA format of writing. Bye.